Solana value equivalent to $152.84 a gibber. The present exchange cost range, $146 gibber 6 cents, $153.47. The earlier day close, $147 gibber 8 cents. The change was gibber 5. Gibber plus 3. 49 gibber. Opposite rate, US to gibber. Dollar to Solana gibber for January 2025. First and foremost cost at gibber 0.637 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.813, while low jabber 0.637. The found the middle value of cost gibber 0.711. The US to Sol figure toward the gibber N 0.758, change for January 19th. Gibber percent. US to Sol gibber for ointment 2025. Before all else cost at 0.758 gibber. Excessive costs at 0.758, while low jabber 0.610. The gibber at the midpoint of costs are 0.695. The US to Sol figure toward the month's end 0.654, change for February 13.7 jabber. Dollar to gibber figure for walk 2025. Before all else cost at gibber 0.654 coins. Gibber cost 0.676, while low 0.588. The arrived at the midpoint of cost gibber 0.637. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's end gibber 0.629, change for spring 3.8%. US to gibber expectation for April 2025. At the gibber cost at 0.629 coins. Gibber cost 0.629, while lows at 0.508. The gibber at the midpoint of costs are 0.577. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's end 0.543, change for jabber 13.7%. Dollar to Solana gibber for May 2025. In the first place cost at 0.543 gibber. Exorbitant cost 0.562, while low jabber 0.490. The found the middle value of cost gibber 0.530. The US to Sol disappointment toward the gibber end 0.524, change for May 3.5%. Gibber to Sol expectation for June 2025. In the first place cost at gibber 0.524 coins. Excessive cost ointment 0.524, while low jabber 0.420. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.48 gibber. The S to Sol conjecture toward the month's end gibber 0.450, change for June 14.1%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for gibber 2025. At the gibber cost at 0.45s in coins. Gibber costs are 0.450, while lows in 0.362. The arrived at the gibber of cost applesauce 0.413. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's end 0.388. Change for jabber 13.8%. US to gibber expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at gibber 0.388 coins. Excessive cost gibber 0.412, while low ointment 0.358. The arrived at the gibber of cost ointment 0.385. The US to gibber conjecture toward the month's end 0.383, change for August 1.3%. Dollar to gibber conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at 0.383 gibber. Excessive cost 0.383, while low jabber 0.309. The arrived at the midpoint of cost gibber 0.351. The US to Sol conjecture toward the gibber end 0.330, change for September 13.8%. US to gibber expectation for October 2025. First and gibber cost at 0.33s in coins. Exorbitant cost gibber 0.330, while lows in 0.266. The found the middle value of costs of 0.3 gibber 3. The US to Sol estimate toward the gibber end 0.285, change for October 13.6%. Dollar to gibber estimate for November 2025. First and foremost cost at gibber 0.285 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.285, while low jabber 0.230. The found the middle value of cost gibber 0.262. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.246, change for jabber 13.7%. US to Sol expectation for gibber 2025. Before all else cost at gibber 0.246 coins. Excessive cost gibber 0.246, while lows in 0.212. The arrived at the gibber of costs are 0.233. The US to Sol figure toward the gibber end 0.227, change for December 7.7%. Dollar to gibber figure for January 2026. Before all else cost at 0.227 Gibber. Gibber cost 0.234, while lows and 0.2 applesauce 4. The Gibber at the midpoint of cost applesauce 0.221. The Gibber to Sol conjecture toward the month's end 0.218. Change for January 4.0%. Gibber to Sol expectation for February 2026. At the Gibber cost at 0.218 coins. Excessive cost 0.218, while low Jabber 0.176. The Gibber at the midpoint of costs 0.20. The US to Sol Gibber toward the month's end 0.188. Change for February 13.8%. Dollar to Gibber figure for Walk 2026. Gibber cost at 0.188 coins. Excessive cost 0.223, while low Jabber 0.188. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Gibber 0.202. The US to Gibber figure toward the month's end 0.207. Change for spring 10.1%. US to Sol Gibber for April 2026. Initially cost at 0.207 Gibber. Exorbitant cost 0.243, while lows and 0.2 Jabber 7. They found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.221. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.226. Change for Jabber 9th. 2 Gibber. Dollar to Solana Gibber for May 2026. At the outset cost at Gibber 0.226 coins. Excessive cost 0.227, while low Jabber 0.197. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Gibber 0.215. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's end Gibber 0.211. Change for May 6.6%. US to Sol Gibber for June 2026. At the applesauce cost at Gibber 0.211 coins. Disappointment cost Gibber 0.233, while lows and 0.203. They found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.216. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.217. Change for Jabber 2nd. 8 Gibber. Dollar to Gibber estimate for July 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.217 Gibber. Exorbitant cost Gibber 0.255, while low papaya 0.217. They found the middle value of cost Gibber 0.232. The Gibber to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.237. Change for July 9th. 2 Gibber. Gibber to Sol expectation for August 2026. Before all else cost at Gibber 0.237 coins. Applesauce cost Gibber 0.237, while lows and 0.191. The Gibber at the midpoint of costs are 0.217. The US to Sol figure toward the Gibber end 0.204. Change for August 13.9%. Dollar to Gibber figure for papaya 2026. Before all else cost at 0.204 Gibber. Ointment cost Gibber 0.261, while lows and 0.204. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Gibber 0.228. The US to Sol conjecture toward the Gibber end 0.243. Change for